Manipur Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren Singh today kicked off the 4-day-long Tikka Utsav at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) in Porompat, Imphal. Chief Minister N. Biren was administered COVID-19 vaccine during the program. Tikka Utsav is organized by National Health Mission and Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Service. Manipur's Maharaj Narasingh 1792-1850, also known as Jingthanglin Pamheba, was fondly remembered on his 171st death anniversary today. The Manipur State Archaeology Department organized the main event at Kangla in Imphal. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren paid rich tribute to Narasingh on the occasion. During his speech on the occasion, Biren commented on the prevailing crisis surrounding Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) and stated that functioning of the state-run hospital has not been affected by the unmasked resignation by its employees, but added that his government was putting efforts to fulfill their demands. JNIMS employees have tendered resignation in pursuit of their demand of the 7th revision of pay, or ROP. Myanmar security forces fired rifle grenades at protesters in a town near Yangon on April 9th last, killing more than 80 people, the Assistance Association for Political Prisoners AAPP monitoring group and a domestic news outlet said. Reuters informed that details of the death toll in the town of Bago, 90 km northeast of Yangon, were not initially available because security forces piled up bodies in the Ziar Muni Pagoda compound and cordoned off the area, according to witnesses and domestic media outlets. The AAPP and Myanmar Now news outlet yesterday said that 82 people were killed during the protest against the February 1st military coup in the country. Firing started before dawn of April 9th and continued into the afternoon, Myanmar Now said. The military chief of the proscribed rebel outfit told the news website that his memoir would be published in less than a month or 20 days. BARUAH'S said he has been bothered about the misrepresentation of facts about ULFA in the past years, adding that his memoir will be steeped in historical accuracy. He further stated that if it's not the truth, people will not accept it. If it's a fictionalized biography, no one would really want to read it, said a media report. BARUAH also said that the memoir is his voice that tells true stories with ruthless precision, and that is why some might not like it. The ULFA I chief said for the book he recorded his recollections on audio 4 to 5 hours daily over a period of 3 months. India today detected more than 1.52 lakh COVID-19 cases in a single day, taking the current tally in the country to over 1.33 crore. In the past 24 hours, 839 people succumbed to the COVID-19 disease, which has pushed the toll in the country due to the infection to 1,69,275. The number of active cases has breached the 10 lakh mark again after around 6.5 months, and the country recorded 839 more fatalities in a day, the highest since October 18th last year. The number of COVID-19 cases India reported is 1,52,879. India also saw 90,584 discharges in the past 24 hours, as per the Union Health Ministry. With the current number of COVID-19 cases, India's COVID-19 caseload has climbed to 1,33,58,805. There are 11,08,087 active COVID-19 cases in India. Congress Working Committee CWC member Gaikhangam stated that youths play a pivotal role in shaping a society. Gaikhangam was participating in a state-level youth interaction and social media training program at Congress Bhavan, BT Road, organized by Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee MPYCC. MPCC President Govindas Konthojam, Indian Youth Congress IYC Secretary and Manipur in charge Sarifa Rahman, IYC Social Media in charge Runashri Saikia, MPYCC President N. Mahananda and other party leaders attended the program. Health and Wellness Center WANGKHEM District observed National Safe Motherhood Day under National Health Mission at WANGKHEM in Thoubal District today. Educate, acknowledge and focus on the problem of diseases, claiming solution for them was the theme of the event. In order to prevent the entry of extremists, terrorist elements and foreign nationals, the administration has imposed Section 144 along the Indo-Bangladesh international border in Assam's DHUBRI district. DHUBRI District Magistrate Field Officer Order has imposed the restrictions on the movement of members of the public and vehicles as well within 500 meters belt of Indo-Bangladesh border areas of DHUBRI district during the night hours starting from 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. of the next day. India and China have agreed at their 11th round of military talks to jointly maintain stability on the ground and avoid any new incidents in eastern Ladakh. A day after the talks, the Indian Army yesterday said the two sides agreed on the need to resolve the outstanding issues in an expeditious manner in accordance with the existing agreements and protocols. The border standoff between the Indian and Chinese militaries erupted on May 5th last year following a violent clash in the Pangong Lake areas.